Welcome to another edition of our solar tutorials. In this video, I will be sharing with you the 5 components of a solar energy system. 1. The solar PV module. The solar PV module is the energy producer in a solar energy system. It produces the DC current and the DC voltages needed in the system. 2. The solar charge controller. The solar charge controller helps to regulate the current that is flowing into the battery. The solar charge controller ensures that the battery is not overcharged or under discharge. The battery. The battery is the energy storage. The battery stores the energy that is required in the system. The load, either the DC load or the AC load, takes the energy requirement from the battery. The inverter. The inverter is a device that converts the DC energy in the battery into AC energy for use. The inverter can be a 3-phase inverter or a single-phase inverter. It depends on the application at which we're using it. For the inverter, the waveform is of utmost importance. There are different types of waveform in the inverter. We have the pure sine wave inverter. We have the modified sine wave inverter. We also have the square wave inverter. Always go for a pure sine wave inverter. It works fine for your system. If you go for a modified sine wave, it may give you some uncomfortable sound while the system is working. In terms of price, the pure sine wave is expensive more than the modified sine wave. But for durability, ensure you go for a pure sine wave inverter. Like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel. You can like and share this video. Thank you.